Bonjour, bonsoir, my love, my angels. Back at your P-Likes. Oh, man, I am so sorry. I'm so sorry for those people. I feel so sorry for some people, man. I feel so sorry for them. I feel so sorry for them because they continue. It's not like, there's so much you could keep doing. You keep doing it and I keep taking it and I keep using it for latte. Because when you send it, sometimes I don't send it back. I do not send it back. I took it and I just mute it and I asked Mother Earth, Mother Gaia to grow something beautiful, something positive. I don't know if a lot of people does that, but I do that all the time. So that's why when you keep saying